You are welcome to another you are welcome to another aspect of our training from Bedbell. Today we are going to design logo using Canva. So type Canva, it will come up, click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to Google search engine browser. It will see it, Canva. So now you click on that Canva, it will take you to what? The dashboard. If you have registered before, you will log in. But if you have not registered before, you sign up with your email address. So let's see what you can design using Canva. Let's see what you can design. One, the posters. You can easily design poster. You can easily design your resume. You can design logo. You can write on it docs. You can also use whiteboard. You can also do presentation and even uploading or writing for your social media. You can also produce videos. You can also produce print. You can also do some write-up for your website, Instagram post, and a lot of other things. So let's sign in now with my email. So now, immediately we sign in now, it will now take us to the dashboard where we can actually start working. You go to create create a design. You see, you click on that. This is what we want to actually design, logo. So immediately you click on the logo, it will take you to the dashboard where you see different templates for logo. We want to pick one of it. I've seen one I liked, so you can see it now, Corina Condor KC. That is it. So I'm going to look at this very template and manipulate it. Now, the first thing is to remove what they have written on it. So by clicking on that very area, it will remove, you will not delete it. So this is Bedbear concept. This is Bedbear concept. So what we are going to actually use in that very area now will be Bedbear concept. So let us start typing now, Bedbear. So immediately we finish typing and we are okay with all our spellings. Now can now click enter. So we are still typing Bedbear concepts. Bedbear concepts. So let's keep typing Bedbear concepts. Now we finish typing, click enter. You click outside the word, outside the space. You can see it now, how beautiful it has been circled on it. Bedbear concept. So I'm going to remove all other K and C. So I'm going to pick a text. I want to pick a text to design our own. I'm going to use adding heading because that one will give us a larger and a bigger character or alphabet. So let's remove adding heading. Immediately I click, now you see all the colors change to the color of the redesign, but we'll come to the colors later. Let's use B, and now you click on it. I don't like the format, so the font, so I want to increase the font. Okay, this okay. So you click and hold on it and you drag it. So let's move it a little bit up. You can see now. Okay, that position is okay. Let's click outside the box that we are comfortable with that. Let's pick another one to design the C, because we are actually going to give a beautiful logo to design Bedbear concept. Now let's use the first character C. Also click, hold on it. So drag it, drag. Okay, you can now see now it's okay. So I'm not going to actually use this color. I want us to work on the color to give it a unique design for us. You see under the A, you see the color. You click on that very color under the A. So click on it, you see, click on it very well. You see all the color coming out. So let us now manipulate all the color. So let's pick that very color B. Okay, that blue, I like that color. Let's see and pick another color. And I don't really like that color. It's not looking professional, because whatever you are designing here, you should be able to say you are a professional graphic designer by using this. Let's give it the same color, blue. Okay, I think I like this color. So I'm also going to change that color of what? Bedbear concepts. So you see, you still do the same thing. So let's go and click on the blue. You see now, I think I love this color. I love this color. So next, let's work on the shape. On the shape, you can see there are two colors on the shape. There are two colors. So we are going to look at different color. Let's pick, I pick the purple and I love that color. So now let's go, and on the this thing you see the template. The template, I want to give it a small touch to make it so. There is this very disc. I love that very disc, but let's still do some. Let's see, you can see I love that very disc, but let's still search if there are better ones. But if we cannot find anyone that is very okay the way I really want it to be, now we will go back and pick it. So okay, let's pick it now and drag it. You hold it and you drag. You hold down and you drag. So you drag, you place it on it. You see, let's centralize it now and click outside the box. Okay, you can see it will come up. It will be placed behind BC. You can see how it looks now, but this does not look professional. It looks as if you are just coming up in graphic design. So let us do some changes to the colors. You can also see there are two colors on it also. There are two colors. So let's pick the first color and manipulate it. Let's pick the first color and manipulate it. So we are going to try different colors and see the ones we like. Okay, let's pick that. I don't really like it that much. No. Okay, okay, it's not giving me the needed color I actually wanted. Let's pick purple. No, okay, purple is okay. Let's pick the second color. You see, okay, it's not okay. It's looking brighter, but it appears too much. It's too shiny. I want something dull that will look as if it is shaded. Picking blue. No, the blue did not really go. It's not looking nice. No, okay, let's try other colors. Let's keep picking colors. Let's keep picking color until we'll be able to get something that is exactly what I want us to see. I want it to look professional, so that by the time you present it, okay, let's pick black. Let's pick black and see. Wow, I love this. I love this. You see, the black have shaded it away, giving it an opaque covering. So only part of it is now. So it is okay. Let's download. Let's share. So when you click on your share, it will bring download, the drop down. So you click on the download. So let us wait as it tries to load. Okay, click on the download. Click on the download. So immediately we click on the download, you will see, you look at the PNG file now. You can see it's loading the PNG file because we have clicked on the download. You can see it yourself now, the PNG. It is now completed, so you can see the download. Let's go to our download. Okay, let's click on it. Let's click on it. You can see now. Let's click on it. Okay, that is it. Let's see what we have designed, because it's now already in your what is in your desktop. So let's click on